Compared to just about any other software on your PC, video editing software notwithstanding, video games will put the biggest strain on your system. There is a reason gaming laptops emphasize tons of RAM and monster video cards, but even the best gaming rig will experience slowdowns over time. Thankfully, there are more than a few ways to make your PC faster for gaming. Through a combination of routine maintenance, basic upgrades, and some adjustment to your settings and preferences, you will be well on your way to gaming domination in no time at all. Here are the tips you need to make your PC faster for gaming. Now let's talk about basic maintenance tips. Basic maintenance goes a long way toward keeping your computer running smoothly and reliably. When you put it through its paces by running a high frame rate game or stressing your processor to the maximum by playing a massive multiplayer online game, a well-kept computer is going to feel better, of course. Here's what you can do routinely to make your PC faster for gaming. Now, the first to talk about is defrag your hard drive. Now, let me explain this quickly and run you through how to do that. Now, your computer is efficient at storing files and saving data, but not always as efficient as it could be. Sometimes you write data in the best available space instead of with similar data. Defragmenting your hard drive fixes this problem. It congregates all your various data with similar bytes to ensure everything is quickly accessible. This is important for speed and fluidity. You might not notice the milliseconds it takes for your computer to retrieve a file, but they make a difference. Keeping your hard drive defragged will keep it efficient. Now, let's quickly go through the steps. Now, with this method, there are two ways of doing it. You can go to your computer, you right click on the drive, the SSD hard drive or any other drive you want. You go to properties, you click on tools, then you can see the optimize and defragment drive over there. So there, just click on the optimize, then we'll start doing it. If you have the advanced cleaner, it's just going to pop up and then start doing it. If you don't have to, it's going to pop up, of course, and then start doing it. So after that, no hard times are found, your system is in good status, so I'm good to go. Or there's another step of doing this. You can click on the start button over here, then you type defragment. You can see it right here, then you open it. You can see all your drives over here. Just hit on the solid state drive, the SSD, the Windows, and then you optimize and you start doing it. You can see over here, you just wait for it to finish and you're good to go. That's it, it's done. Now, the next to talk about is to clear your caches and flash your RAM. Another bit of basic maintenance involves clearing your caches and flashing the RAM. Now, caches are important for gaming because they preserve data that's already been recalled by your computer. When you enter an area in a game, leave it, then come back. The computer doesn't have to render it over and over every time. It has that data cached. Over time, caches get full and slow things down. Clear them out periodically and you will be back to a speedy PC in no time. The same goes for RAM. Flashing RAM terminates the processes that are no longer necessary to free up memory for gaming. Now, here's how to do that. Now, the first thing to do is go to your browser. I'm going to use the Google Chrome. Then you type empty standby list, and you go to empty standby list WJ32. Click on it. You scroll down and you download it. So it is downloading. Now you can close your browser, and now after downloading it, you just go to your start menu and then you type in task scheduler and run it as administrator. Now it's here. Now over here in the task scheduler, you click on the create new task that you can see. So you name it any name you would like. So I'm going to say flash RAM, and then you make sure you check off run with highest privileges, and you choose your OS. I'm running Windows 10. Now you go and click on the change user or group. You click on that. Now go to advanced. Over here you click on find now. You can scroll down, click on system right over here. Good to go. You just click on OK and click on OK. Okay. Now over here you click on new. You start a program, then you browse. Now you're going to search for the thing we downloaded. You just click on it and open it. You click on OK. Click on OK as well. Now over here you can just refresh. Just click on it. From there you can go to the task scheduler library. Now you scroll down to the flash RAM, what we saved. Then you right click on it, and then you click on the run. Now you just have to wait for it to finish. That's it. And when it finishes, you're going to see that your cache is going to be cleared. I forgot to show it to you. From the beginning. So here's the cache. You saw it the moment I started running it. You just cleared everything. So now we're good to go. There are another cache that we can clear out apart from the first one that we did. The first one was memory, the RAM and cache. We cleared everything out. Now there's another one too. You just hold down the Windows key, right? Then you tap on the R. It comes. So the first to do is the temp. You type T-E-M-P, temp. Hit on enter. Now if it's your first time, you're going to see a pop-up like an administrator. Yeah, you can just hit on OK. Now over here, what you're going to do is you're going to delete everything you see in here. Right? You select everything, Control A. You shift, then you delete it. Yeah. So this one, do this for all, then we can skip it. That's it. So that's the first one. Now let's go to the second one. The second one, the same process, Windows key plus the R. Then we hit on Prefetch. Hit on enter. Now this is the first time I'm doing that. You've seen it. You hit on continue. Then you shift, you Control A, and you shift delete everything that you see in here. You do this for all current items, then you skip it. So now the last one, Windows key plus the R. We hit on the percent temp percent. You hit on enter. Now over here you Control A, then you shift delete everything that you see in here. Hit on continue. Let's try again, and let's skip this one. You just have to wait for it to finish, and then as you're doing that, you're going to see increase in the performance, how things are going to respond fast, you know. Let's see, I don't know why let's close it. Let's Control A, should delete it again. Let's see. Let me skip this one. That's it. So I've cleared enough. Let me see if I can clear more. Yeah, I think we're good to go. So we're done. And the last but not the least that I'm going to talk about is to clean your PC thoroughly. Now, an all-round smart way to keep your PC faster for gaming is to thoroughly clean it once every week or two. Running a cleaning program like Advanced System Care will take care of all the little things that add up to computer performance. It lifts the burden of use from your computer. A PC cleaning tool will handle all the little tasks for you in minutes, so you can reap the speed advantages that come with a well-maintained computer. So over here, I'm just going to let it run, and after that, it's going to fix all the problems. Now, if you've done all that and you're still facing the same problem, I think you just have to listen to these few upgrade tips. First, you invest in a new video card. You install an SSD and you throw in more RAM. There's no getting around the cost of these upgrades, but if you're a serious gamer, they are well worth the expense. Paying a few $100s or even $1,000 for major upgrades is still a lot cheaper than dropping the money on a state-of-the-art gaming rig in most games, especially if you're just trying to speed up your PC for gaming. Speed is everything in gaming. If your game isn't running at peak quickness, you are at a disadvantage. And because most modern games require split-second reflexes and decision making, you can't afford to waste a millisecond. Give some or all of these tips a shot, and you're sure to see a substantial increase in speeds from your gaming rig. For the ultimate test, run a demanding game like first-person shooter or a massive multiplayer online game and experience the difference. Even these major games should run smoothly after you treat your PC to the optimizations above. Thanks for watching, and let me know if these tips helped you in the comment section.